80 years ago, there was some fascinating high-tech machinery. Such as the tank-like calculator. Today, let's delve into the 1940s with the Fridden STW-10, weighing a hefty 42 pounds. It was essentially a massive amalgamation of gears, levers, springs, and hand cranks. Its complexity would intimidate any mischievous child. They would rather do their homework than attempt to assemble a Fridden STW-10 calculator. This calculator could display results up to 20 digits long, a feat beyond the capabilities of modern calculators. It supported addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, with later models even featuring square root functions and decimal point calculations. The intelligence of people across eras remains constant. It's just the knowledge they possess that differs. If you were to travel back in time, you'd merely have an intellectual advantage.